Hello, good day, viewers. You are highly welcome to Shitu Mathematics class. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. In this tutorial today, we're going to solve this problem on this board. The question said, if n plus 1 over 16n find 16n squared plus 1 over 16n squared. So what are we going to do? So therefore we are going to start from here because we want to see how we can bring out this 16n squared plus 1 over 16n squared. So now from there, so we are going to have this. Now how we try to, let's say I copy this out, n over 16n then equals 2. That is the equation here. So now what if I tried to multiply both sides or through by 4? So this is going to be 4 into bracket n plus 1 over 16n then equals 2 times 4 will give me 8, right? So now from here I try to open the bracket. 4 times n, we have 4n plus 4 times 1, we have dot 1 over 16, n equals what? Equals 8. So now from here, so what do you think we're going to do here? So we can see that we can reduce this left hand side to be 4 here, 1, 4 in 16, that will give us 4. So therefore we are going to be having 1 over 4n, which is equals what? Equals 8. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do, don't forget that this is where we are going. We are trying to look for 16n squared plus 1 over 16n squared. But by mere looking, you can see that the only thing we can do to have this here is that, what if we try to square the both sides of this? That is 4n plus 1 over 4n all squared equals 8 all squared, right? Now from here, so we are going to use the idea that is from perfect square quadratic that says when you have a plus b all squared, this must give you a squared plus 2 times ab then plus b squared. So that is it. So now from there, so I replace the a to be 4n, then the b to be 4n. So therefore, let's see, 4n plus 1 over 4n all squared is now going to be, my a is 4n, I have 4n all squared plus 2, a is 4n, I have 4n, then b is 1 over 4n, then plus b squared is 1 over 4n all squared. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing is that let's try to, and don't forget that here is equated to be 64 because everything like this is 64. So now we move on. So we can see that here we are going to have 4 squared is going to be 16n squared plus here this 4n, we cancel this 4n here, we are left with 2 plus here we have 1 squared is 1, then 4n squared will give us 16n squared, which is equals 64, right? So therefore this implies that 16n squared plus 1 over 16n squared, okay, I believe you can see now, will be equals 64. Now try to transpose this 2 to the other side. We have minus 2, so we have 16n squared plus 1 over 16n squared. You can see that is what we are actually looking for. So we have that. So this is going to be equals 64 minus 2. That will give us 62. And that is the solution. Okay. Now, if you find the class very interesting, kindly hit on the subscribe button, share this content to your friends so they can also benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.